Today we are making a pomegranate aloe elixir. Sweet, juicy, ripe fruits are a great way to promote healthy ojas, revitalizing the body and the mind. For this recipe, we have half a cup of pure pomegranate juice, a quarter cup spring water, 2 tablespoons aloe vera juice, and 1 tablespoon honey. Both pomegranate and aloe are juicy, but they are also astringent and a little bit bitter in nature, making them a really great choice for kapha, water and earth constitutions, where nuts, seeds, milks, and oils may not be the best choice for them. Pomegranates are blood building and heart strengthening, and they build our immunity and strength of our body. Aloe is cooling and nourishing and has a special affinity for strengthening the reproductive organs. Honey is considered amrita, a healing nectar, and is an ideal choice of a sweetener for kapha when taken in moderation, because it can unclog the vital channels of the body and really aid in digestion. For this recipe, we're going to start with the pomegranate juice. Pour the half cup into the glass, followed by the spring water, and the aloe juice, and then add the sweetener, and stir well to combine. This beverage is very potent, so only a small amount is needed, and depending on your personal taste and preference, more or less water can be added. This pomegranate aloe elixir is refreshing, energizing, hydrating, and helps to restore our vitality.